So I'm out here doing my DoorDash thing, right? Not making a whole lot of money tonight, slow night in my car. And I swear, for about the 10th time, this has happened to me right here. I got a bolt in my tire. So somebody felt the need to just toss that out their window or off their truck or whatever. So I've repaired this myself probably about 10 times. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this without having to call anybody. We're going to fix it right on the car, right on the tire. I'm going to show you how. So far I just got all my tools, got a jack, got some coolant. I had some oil here, but it's got an oil change. Tire, got a spare tire down there, got some ratchet set, little toolbox here. So if you're out door dashing or doing any kind of deliveries, you need to carry tools and stuff like that on you. Got some emergency cones. I also have a plug kit down here. I'm gonna grab that out real quick. This is just your basic tire plug kit. You can get these for just a few bucks at Walmart or whatever department store you go to. Right here, it comes with 8 plugs. As you can see, I have 3 left. I swear I just plugged the tire on my car a week before it died on me, and I bought this car about 2 weeks ago. So I got 3 plugs left. I'm gonna show you exactly how to use this right on the tire. As far as the plug tool, we're gonna take this right here, and you're gonna take it and you're gonna squish it up. It's tarry, it's like a piece of tar. We're gonna squish up the end, and you're gonna thread it right through this thing right here, okay? When you thread it through, that's what it's going to look like right there. So when you push this in, it's got a round design on the back that doesn't clip it off, right? And then you push it in through the tire, and then when you pull it out, it's got a little sharp edge right there that's going to cut it, and it's going to leave this about halfway sticking out of your tire. Okay, let's do it. This is why I say it's worth carrying a toolbox in your trunk, because we're also going to need a pair of pliers. Ready? There we go, and you can hear the air coming out right there. Take this reamer tool. Okay, we're going to shove this in there. Oh, there we go. We're going to get it in there about halfway like that. You want to kind of leave some of those sticking out right there, and when you pull it out, you can pull it out with a hard, fast jerk, and that's going to cut it off right there. Boom. Now what a shop's going to do, they're going to take a straight razor or something, they're just going to cut that off, but boom. You don't have to. Oh, I didn't even put the rubber cement on it. You know what? It doesn't even matter. Like I said, I forgot it before, and these are going to work just fine. Sorry, I'm too busy trying to get back to my shift and stuff, but these will just wear down and they'll just cut off. So there you go, it's fixed. You can't hear no air coming off of it. That'll smash down, it'll spread out right there. All good, all fixed. Lost about maybe a pound of air. Back to dashing, I'll air it up later at the house. Peace.